Ōtautahi girls are just having a quick little roadie.
We're going to Kai Men's Food because we want to try this Taniwha burger out.
What are we going to do, Wāhine?
Eat it.
Welcome to Pai Te Kai, Kai Te Pai. This is where we are reviewing kai, locally sourced from Ōtautahi. Today we're going to try the Taniwha burger.
Chef Hone.
Oh, Chef Hone.
We're giving you chef.
No, mine.
Now, we haven't eaten all day for this, eh?
No.
No. Smell it.
So we have a bit of a Taniwha burger with some chips and a bit of gravy and just a little bit of mint added on top.
Smells so good. It smells so good.
Yes, this is fried bread whānau with tomato, red onion, lettuce, a hangi patty,
I wonder what a hangi patty is. Like,
cheese,
is it
tomato sauce,
String.
chips with gravy.
That gravy.
meat? This is massive. Okay, we're gonna go all together. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god! That is so good.
No cap, that's so good.
She told us to put
my
a
lordy.
fork in the middle of it to keep it together. Now I get why.
This is just too good to be true.
I'm not
Can't
even
take
lying.
my eyes off of you.
Bruh.
It's so
Hone.
big. Don't zoom in on this.
Kaharwa. Hara mai.
Just so a kaharo bite.
A kaharwa bite.
Chef, can we have some serviettes, please?
Oh, that's
Oh,
nasty.
That patty too, man.
Nasty.
Good and nasty.
Like,
This ain't a neat and tidy
No.
burger, whānau. This is a get in there, get your hands dirty. Comments. Oh, what have we got here?
Got a bit of a power pie.
Power pie. Well, I'm just going to push that way.
Pai has to taste it.
What?
She doesn't eat kaimoana, so we just gotta give her a go. Like, how are you gonna know you don't like it if you don't try it?
Oh,
Oh.
Oh, that one will go that way.
No. Come on, Pai.
cute. It's quite cute looking.
Yeah, here's the inside. Pastry's yum. Crispy.
No, Pai, you like it. It's actually
Go,
really
Pai.
good.
I reckon
Good
you
pie.
have to try it.
That's
Pai.
really good.
I have never tried power before.
Never.
See, how do you know
Never.
you don't like it if you haven't tried it?
Because I don't eat seafood.
You eat fish from the fish and chip shop.
Yeah, that's what I do. Yeah.
We believe in you.
I'm just gonna.
You go.
Suspense.
Right, have
It
a
tastes
bite.
like mushrooms, but I don't eat mushrooms.
Okay, let's see how this goes down. I will be honest, I'm slightly biased because I reckon my dad makes the best raw fish in the world. Very creamy. You have to try this now.
Oh, what?
It's really good.
Really
It's because
good,
the fish
whānau.
just melts in your mouth. Like they've tenderized the
Yeah.
fish really well.
I want to get a bit of everything on here. Capsicum, tomato, that massive as cucumber. That's bigger than the fish. Okay, Lord help me.
Yes. Oh.
Three days later.
I do want some more. So that's a good sign.
It's hard because my stomach's like, oh, what are you doing? Well, I'm chewing on it and
Right, it's a mental game.
It's
Because the
good
fish
fish.
is so well done, it just melts in your mouth.
stuff. Yeah, it didn't even taste fishy at all.
We had the lucky last.
Woohoo, pretty neat.
Ambrosia.
Oh, yeah.
Steam pudding.
Oh my goodness.
Will you be doing all these dishes afterwards too, chef? Or is there a kitchen there?
No.
This looks really good too.
Yeah.
On it.
Yeah. Come on, Diva. Diva.
I really want to try it.
See, yay!
Yeah, that's got some fish on it.
Oh, that's a clean one.
Often with Ambrosia, there's too much cream in there. This is not too much cream.
No.
This is happy balance.
But like the cream is like a moussey cream. It's not like a runny cream like you get in Ambrosia. I like that. I like that a lot. Okay,
It's a moussey cream and not a...
use your fishy spoon, Diva.
Bruh.
One fork.
No spoons like
Oh, he knew ka aroha.
Okay, let's... Oh, should I try this first?
Pudding.
Right. Right. Am I right?
It's a good inversion day.
They've done the sweetness right.
Okay, steam puds.
Yeah, you start on the steam pudding.
Oh, come on then. Let's go. One each.
It looks amazing. Presentation wise. Holy
Colour.
looks cheers.
Bro. Bro.
It's the hot.
That is a good time.
That's a great time. That's a great time.
That is like spongy, soft, warm. The
Whoa.
custard is. It tastes like golden
That's a
syrup
perfect
on
steam
a
pudding,
cloud.
man. Lovely. Soft, spongy.
Oh my gosh.
Custard, great.
They really hit.
Yeah.
Pai means food.
We
is-
love you.
We love you.
We love you.
The burger,
Oh.
it's actually one of the best burgers I've ever tasted in my life.
I'm going to
10 out of 10.
So Kai means food. Check them out. They're on Fitzgerald Ave here in Christchurch at the moment, but they do have a new location that they're moving to, Woodham Road, over on the east next week. But check them out on Facebook, and they've got a website as well.
If you guys would like to see more videos like this, give us some recommendations.
Yes,
Find Māori places here in Ōtautahi. We want to know your favourite spots so that we can go hit them up and bricks their cupboards.
Totally. Diva?
Yeah, 10 out of 10.
Pai Te Kai, Kai Te